morning. It's Monday the 9th of April. I'm literally about to leave. Why does my skin look the way that it does? I'm going to see Dua Lipa today in Dublin with my best friend, Kate. You know her. I've vlogged in Dublin before because I like avoiding my responsibilities for college. Bye!
That's a great angle for me.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Let's be bad, let's be bad. Just want to pretend that it's all over. Say you're safe forever, baby, it's all I want. My friendly, tell me how much you miss me. That's funny, I guess you heard my song. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself
How did she do that? I want more.
No. Just a lot
What the
going,
fuck?
not ready to be found.
What the fuck?
Hey Gia, it's me, your #1 fan. Just here to say you killed it tonight. You were unreal. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I think that maybe I love Dublin. I think that maybe I love Strawberry. I think that
Maybe I was bought 3 pints
I think maybe Robbie's an actual legend.
for free.
I think maybe I might have egged Robbie on a little bit too much.
Yeah, you did. He thought he hated you because he was making assumptions, and he was like, "She hates me." I was like, "No, she
I don't
loves
hate
you."
anyone.
I couldn't express that, but also I was like, "Thanks, Robbie. You're a good lad." You
Robbie.
bought 3 pints. I only had to.
Can you show my
pay.
pants? I want to show them how good Robbie is. Robbie, is this good?
Amazing. Promise it wasn't creepy. He just bought several pints. He said, "Have a good night. We're going home, Robbie. We're going home." Do you
absolute legend. I love her.
We were dancing. No, we were dancing in the bar, right? And Kate goes, "Right, we'll leave after the next song unless it's Dua Lipa." What's the next song? Fucking New Rule. Night World. I'll see you tomorrow when I regret my entire existence. I'll show you what I bought today. That'll be fun. We're home. Good night. See you tomorrow. I look like a fucking egg. I look tired all the time. Yeah, I do. disgusting. I've been wearing my hat all day because my hair is greasy and I'm like, I don't want people to see this. So now I'm gross. So now I'm just gonna relax looking like a fucking egg for the rest of the evening. I'm so tired. See you next week.